Hello, I would like to show you the easiest way to learn programming. The first thing you need to do is ask yourself a simple question. Would you like to learn how to program in the next 7 days? If the answer is yes, and you have no prior knowledge, you now have two choices. Either you will spend long hours in front of the computer, or you will choose the easier option. A more complicated option is to study books for several days, which are also very difficult to understand and even harder to remember. I have tried this option myself with several dozen students, and therefore it has become very unpopular among everyone. And that's why a few years ago I started working on a much more effective teaching method that will significantly reduce the time spent learning, is easy to understand, and will be fun for a large part of the students. But most importantly, it works. It's been tested on students from 9 to 18 years old, so I see no reason why it couldn't work for you too. Now let's talk a little about the structure of this method. I have divided your learning journey into lessons. At the beginning of each of these lessons, you will learn its goal and the most important insights you will gain in it. Immediately after that comes a bit of theory, which I tried to explain as simply as possible using colors that help you remember facts and improve overall clarity. But the most important thing comes now. Did you know that learning by doing is 50 to 70% more effective than reading books? That's why I base the entire method on this way of teaching. Each lesson contains fun tasks that will guide you to the correct answers, but also allow you to figure out the solutions yourself, so you will learn by doing. As a bonus, I've added a quiz that will reflect your knowledge and show you what to work on next time. However, for those who are not yet convinced of the quality of my course, I am announcing 3 more gifts that you will receive completely free with the entire course if you are among the first 100 people to register. The first of these are added curiosities and advanced explanations that will help you not only learn how to program, but also find out how it works inside, which leads us straight to the second bonus, which will help you get more out of these explanations while also giving you a head start on expert tasks. Finally, the last and best advantage is access to our online community of programmers who will not hesitate to help with any of your questions. With all that being said, I ask you again, which path will you choose?